Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to build hunting queries using guided mode in Microsoft 365 Defender. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. You click on Advanced Hunting. Under Hunting, you click on New Query. You click on Query in Builder. You get all of these options. So the query builder in guided mode allows the engineering. Okay, so we are in query in builder. Now we have to specify the data domain to hunt in. I'll use all domains. So by selecting all, it includes data from all domains that we currently have access to. You can narrow it down to a specific domain, which will be done through filters relevant to that domain only. When you select all domains, it will look through all available data in the query. Well, we'll select endpoints. It will look through endpoints data provided by Microsoft Defender for endpoint. So there are two more options that we get: apps and identities, and email and collaboration. So in the apps and identities, it will look through application and identity data as provided by Defender for Cloud Apps and Defender for Identity. And in the email and collaboration, it will look through email and collaboration apps data like SharePoint, OneDrive, and others. Now, in the next step, we'll use basic filters. It says device name, any, file name, source IP, event type, or SHA-256. So when we choose one data source, for instance, endpoints, this one. So we'll select endpoints as the data source, and I'll choose event type as device events. Which further goes down to accounts change. I can do scroll up. You can select anything you want. Let's say I'm selecting this. You click on here. If you will select this, you click on run query. Whenever your query is ready, it will run the query. And there is no result found because with this event type, that is why it did not give you any result. But if you want to load sample queries, you click on here. And if you will select it, like if you select this query, it will override the previous query that we were working on. So if you will just click on run query, there are no results. Now you can use more filters as well. So if you clear it, you can turn off this toggle, or you can toggle to see more filters, and you can add a filter here, which is alerts, account domain, and you can add a subgroup, add a filter, device info. This query is not complete, that is why we are not getting an option to run a query. When the all filter toggle switch is active, we can see the full range of filters and condition in guided mode. Here it is. Now you can create conditions. To specify a set of data to be used in the query, use select this option, select a filter. You can type the selection name, let's say registry events, event type equals select event type, registry key created, run. See, so this is the result that we got, device registry events. And if you just, the registry key was created, you click on this, get into the details to do the advanced hunting using guided. Okay, and you get this information. And you can cancel this if you want to go again. New query. You can save it as well. Builder. And you get an option. You enable the switch. Device info. Device ID equals, you can enter the device ID here. And if you want to look for other things like hunting for high confidence phish or spam emails delivered to the inbox, you can go for email events. I don't see the email events option. Otherwise, I have shown you. Okay. Maybe some things are missing in the evaluation lab. So, I hope this was very informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.